in front of me Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select wallpaper. And now it's time to pick the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be some from your own local photos, recently used, pre-installed live wallpapers, or some online wallpapers. You can go into categories if you're connected to Wi-Fi. It's necessary here. And now you can pick, for example, blue, orange, green, or then pictures connected with rain, design, art, whatever you prefer. Let me go to quotes. And now just pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can check your display this way. And for example, if you want to apply this one as your lock screen, just tap on apply and pick lock screen. And then let's choose something else for home screen. We can pick something from different album, for example, green. And let's pick this one. And then tap on apply. Click on home screen to apply it on your home screen. And that's it. As you can see from now on, you've got brand new wallpaper, and also your lock screen is covered with the picked picture. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.